Hey, what's up guys? I want to show you all exactly what Ruby looks like after her first wax job. So yesterday I had washed my Rubicon and I used the McGuire's Gold Class car wash along with the McGuire's wax. And it comes in a red little jar. And basically what you have to do is you just rub the wax on the vehicle. I did this in my garage. I let it dry on there for about a good half an hour, and then you want to buff it off with a microfiber towel. Here's the end result. Ruby is looking really pretty, especially in the sun. Got my Jeepin' plate, because that's what we do. We go Jeepin'. There we are, guys. 2019 two-door Jeep Rubicon JL. And the rock sliders are holding up super nicely too. Not a single scratch or a single scuff on them. They have truly been a lifesaver. So thanks again for watching, guys, and until next time, everyone. Bye.